Hi everyone.
Welcome back.
Hi guys. Okay, so really quickly, my intro that I originally filmed was really annoying and not good, so just got rid of that. Pretty much all I said was that at my school every year we have this thing called Pink Day. It's for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and we all dress up in pink, and there's like a football game. So I was practicing my makeup for that day. Yeah. So enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm gonna do everything in the order that I'm gonna do it like the actual day. So this is gonna be like kind of messy, but gotta do what you gotta do. So first I'm just gonna take this Neutrogena cream. It's just a water cream, and I'm gonna be obviously applying that all over my face because we need to keep our skin hydrated. Also, I can't put my hair up anymore because of my bangs, so that's really good and fresh for me. Okay, this eyeshadow look's actually inspired by Madison Ashley. She's a YouTuber, and I did this look a while ago actually on my Instagram, but I haven't done it in a while, and yeah, I didn't follow the exact steps that she did in her video, but I kind of made my own little version of it. So let's just get into it. Lighting is so bad. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to be using this pink shade up here in the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and that's going to be my transition shade. Also, guys, so I just actually got that this week, and I'm gonna be doing it to my hair next week, which is the day before Pink Day, and I'm really scared, but I'm also really excited because I just want to see how it turns out. I think it'll actually be really cute. Also, this video, don't know when it's gonna go up. I'm gonna try as hard as I can to get this up next week. I want to get it up before October ends because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I don't want to upload it in November, but I feel like me dyeing my hair pink might have to go up in November. Maybe not. We'll see. Okay, so I just finished doing that off camera, so now we're gonna move on. So I'm gonna just take this dark pink shade in the same palette, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Okay, so now we're done with the BH Cosmetics palette, so I'm going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette and just use the shade Love Letter. Wrong way. What's this shade right here. Okay, so I'm ready to cut my crease now. Before I do that, I'm going to go back to the face makeup. So I'm going to take the Benefit Professional primer, and I'm just gonna put that in my T-zone because that's where I get oily. Okay, so to cut my crease, I'm gonna do the same thing I do all the time. Tarte Shape Tape and this brush. Yeah. I have to take pictures after this. That's not gonna be fun. It's cold out. Bro, if it starts raining, not even it says. Okay, so for the shimmery shade, I'm just gonna use this pink sparkly shade from the Chocolate Bonbons palette and just use a smudge brush. Okay, I actually don't like how that looks, so I'm gonna take the Sugar palette from Anastasia. Hello, hi. And I'm gonna use the shade Gumdrop. Okay, that doesn't look good either. Okay, I'm also gonna be using the Laura Geller, this highlighter thing, to see if that makes it look better. Okay, so now that that is all blended out, I'm just going to take the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in the shade Glam Rock and just outline the cut crease with that. You know what? I'm going to have to do this off camera actually because... Okay, so that's how the eye looks all finished. I'm going to do the cut crease on the other eye off camera, and then I'll get back to you guys and we'll do
face makeup.
Okay, so I just did the other eye off camera. So let's get into face makeup. Gonna wear foundation to school, which I'm really scared about because the lighting in my school is actually trash. I got the L'Oreal Pro Glow foundation. I don't think this is my shade. I don't really know. There's this website online where it's you match your foundation shade by putting in other shades of face makeup you used before, and it said that that I'm 202 in this foundation, but whenever I go, that shade is never there. Let me rephrase that. When I'm ready to buy it, it's not there. So I just got this one, so if this isn't my shade, then I'll probably just mix it with the Fit Me foundation because that one's like pretty dark. So that's the tea for today. I look like a squash. I don't know if you guys see it, but like there's this white stuff coming off on my forehead. Okay, what is that? Like I would really love to know. What is that? What is that? Bro, I'm... Okay, you literally cannot even see it on camera, but like I don't even know what it was. Like there was just like this white stuff coming off on my face. Like it looked like whiteout. So I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape now and obviously use that to like highlight and, you know, conceal. So okay. This foundation's not good. I don't know why, but it's like so matte. Like this part of my face right here don't have any powder on it and it's like matte. And this is supposed to be a glowy foundation. So kind of disappointed with that. Okay, I'm just gonna do the rest of my face makeup off camera. It's the same thing. I just used the butter bronzer, Tarte Shape Tape. And then I'm gonna use probably this Laura Geller highlight. And I'm also just gonna use this like pink cream highlighter, like on the inner corner of my eye and like my brow bone. And then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so in conclusion, will I be wearing this makeup for Pink Day? Probably not, because my face looks extremely cakey right now. You can't see it on camera, but in person,
she's not doing well.
that is mostly due to my forehead because for some reason my acne just won't go away. My eyelashes are cute though. These are the Dodo lashes in the style 332, D332. You guys can use my code BEAUTYBYTAL to save you guys 5% off your order. So I'm pretty upset about this because I really wanted to like do this for Pink Day. We'll see how my skin is next week and decide if we want to do it or not. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up because I did not enjoy doing this. And I will see you guys when I dye my hair pink. That's all. Goodbye.